Individualism. First up, individualism. This is all about the belief that each person is unique and valuable. Conservatives believe that everyone has their own talents, goals, and rights, and that these should be respected and nurtured. For conservatives, individualism means that people should have the freedom to pursue their own paths, make their own choices, and take responsibility for their actions. Imagine if you had to get approval from the government for every little decision in your life. That would be frustrating, right? Conservatives argue that people know what's best for themselves and should be trusted to make their own decisions. Individualism also means that success and failure are personal matters. If someone does well, it's because of their hard work and effort. If they don't, they need to learn from their mistakes and try again. This focus on self-reliance encourages people to grow and succeed on their own terms. Some folks think that emphasizing individualism too much can lead to a lack of support for those who struggle. But conservatives believe that personal responsibility actually makes society stronger because when people take care of themselves, they can also contribute to their communities. But conservatives believe that personal responsibility actually makes society stronger because when people take care of themselves, they can also contribute more to their communities. Liberty. Next, let's talk about liberty. This is a big one for conservatives. Liberty means having the freedom to live your life as you choose, as long as you're not harming others. Conservatives see this as essential for a happy and thriving society. This idea covers a lot of ground, from freedom of speech and religion to the right to gather and protest. Conservatives believe these freedoms are fundamental and should be protected from government interference. Liberty also includes economic freedom, the right to own property, run businesses, and trade freely. Conservatives argue that when people are free to pursue their economic interests, everyone benefits. It leads to more innovation, better products and services, and a more prosperous society overall. Some worry that too much focus on liberty can lead to inequality, but conservatives believe that freedom, combined with personal responsibility, creates the best conditions for everyone to succeed. Limited government. Finally, let's discuss limited government. This idea is closely tied to both individualism and liberty. Conservatives believe the government should have a minimal role in people's lives and the economy. The thinking here is that when the government is too involved, it can restrict personal freedoms and slow down economic growth. A big, powerful government can impose rules and policies that limit what individuals can do, which conservatives see as a threat to freedom. Conservatives argue that the government should focus on its core duties, protecting citizens, maintaining law and order, and ensuring national security. Beyond that, they think that individuals and private organizations should handle most aspects of life and the economy. This doesn't mean conservatives are against all government action. They know that some regulations and public services are necessary, but they believe these should be kept to a minimum and managed efficiently to avoid unnecessary bureaucracy and waste. How they fit together? The three ideas, individualism, liberty, and limited government, are all connected. Individualism is about people being responsible for themselves. Liberty gives them the freedom to make their own choices, and limited government makes sure that freedom is protected by preventing too much state control. Together, these principles create a society where people can thrive, pursue their own goals, and contribute to their communities. Conservatives believe this approach leads to a more dynamic, prosperous, and fair society.